Hello kids, I hope that you all are doing great. In this session of English, we are going to move on to the exercise of common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, so in the previous session, we already learned that what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. So in this session, firstly we are going to revise, that is recall about the previous session. कि अपने common nouns and proper nouns the meaning શું હતો that we are going to learn first. And then we are going to solve this following exercise. So let's get started. Okay. Firstly, આપણે લોકોએ આની પહેલાના સેશનમાં you already did the writing work of question answers, right? તમે લોકોએ writing work અને exercises કરી લીધી છે ઇંગ્લિશની. Right. Now in this session, firstly આપણે common nouns અને proper nouns ની exercise start કરીએ. એ પહેલા we are going to revise, that is recall that what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. What do you mean by common nouns? Any common name of person, place, animal or thing. Any commonly used name is termed as common noun. કોઈ પણ commonly used noun હોય એને શું કહેવાય છે? Common noun. જ્યારે આપણે લર્ન કર્યો ટોપિક at that time we took the example of a flower. આપણે flower નું example લીધું હતું, right? So what are common nouns? Like common nouns consider કરીએ તો flower is an example of common noun because flower ના કેટલા બધા type હોઈ શકે. But when in general we are using the term flower, so what we are supposed to say? It's a common noun. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of a particular person, place, animal or thing. કોઈ પણ particularly કોઈ પણ person, place, animal or thing ની વાત જ્યારે આપણે લોકો કરીએ છીએ તો it falls under the category of proper nouns. That means કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ છે, animal છે, thing છે, name છે, એ તમે particularly કોઈ માટે use કરો છો તો આપણે common nouns નું જ example continue કરીએ. For example, flower અગર common noun માં આવતું હોય તો proper noun ma we can take the example of lily or rose. So lily and rose are the proper nouns because flower general term ma use kare chiye, whereas lily and rose when we are using it apne lokoe particular flower names bolya છે, right? We took the names of flowers. So lily and rose comes under the category of proper nouns and flowers comes under the category of common nouns. So now let's move to the exercise portion. This question, that is 4, is given on page number 16 of your English textbook. Now what is the question about? Find nouns in these sentences, color red common nouns and color blue proper nouns. What you are supposed to do is જેટલા બી common nouns છે એને તમારે red color કરવાનો છે and proper nouns ને blue color કરવાનો છે. You have to color light. તમારે light color કરવાનો છે એટલે કે તમને word પણ visible હોય properly after you color it. Okay. And in the board આપણે લોકો તમે લોકો જોવો છો કે Didi has underlined few of the things with the blue color marker. Okay. So what are these? આપણે આ exercise કઈ રીતે કરશું? Okay. Now when I am explaining, I have just underlined the nouns. મેં અત્યારે અહીંયા nouns underline કરી દીધા છે. Okay. We are going to bifurcate, we are going to separate common nouns and proper nouns. Okay. So what we are supposed to do? Separate થઈ જશે common nouns and proper nouns. પછી હું અહીંયા names લખતી જઈશ. Right? I would be writing the names of common nouns and proper nouns over here. એટલે કે તમને લોકોને clearly idea આવી જાય. Right? So we are going to start with the question, that is question number 4. Again I am repeating, find nouns in these sentences. First question is they have written find nouns in these sentences. So Didi has already done. આપણે લોકો તો બી explain કરીને we would be moving further. Color red common nouns. તમારે લોકોએ common nouns ને કેવો કલર કરવાનો છે? Red. Color blue proper nouns. તમારે લોકોએ proper nouns ને blue કલર કરવાનો છે. But just now on board while explaining what we would be doing, હું અહીંયા common nouns and proper nouns ના names note down કરી નાખીશ and in that way you are supposed to color in your notebook, in your textbook after you understand it very well. Okay, let's get started. Miss Rubina Khan is our new teacher. Okay. Now, firstly, આપણે લોકો ખાલી nouns ને પહેલા સમજીએ. Okay. Miss Rubina Khan is our new teacher. She is from Kashmir. Now, Miss Rubina Khan equal to name છે? Yes. So just underline it because equal to name છે. Firstly, તો આપણે nouns જ find કરશું. So, Miss Rubina Khan is a name of a person. So, noun ની definition શું હતી? Name of any person, place, animal or thing. પછી આપણે bifurcate કરશું common nouns અને proper nouns. So, Miss Rubina Khan is a name. So, we will be underlining it. Okay. Miss Rubina Khan is our new teacher. Teacher is also a name. Like કોઈ પણ એક person છે એનું profession teaching છે. So when we learned, તમે જોયું તો તમારી previous exercises માં, right? એક man હતો who was working in a construction company. There was another man who was a doctor. There was a lady who was a teacher. Right? એવી રીતે દીદી explain કર્યું હતું. The teacher can be a person, right? It is a name of a profession, right? So આપણે એને underline કરશું teacher ને. She is from Kashmir. Kashmir is a place, right? So what we will be doing? It is a noun. It is the name of a place. So underline Kashmir as well. Now what's the next sentence? This one, Miss Rubina Khan is our new teacher. She is from Kashmir. Is already given in your textbook. Like you know, कोई color કરીને જ તમને આપેલું છે તમારી textbook માં, so that you can clearly get an idea about the question. Right? તમને easily સમજાઈ જાય એટલે એક question કરીને જ આપેલો છે. From here, you are supposed to start. Let's start. Miss Rubina Khan teaches us language. Miss Rubina Khan is the name of a person again, right? So you are supposed to underline it. Teaches us language. Okay. Now language, in commonly, આપણે name of anything name thing કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ છે એ પણ noun માં include થાય છે. So language is also a noun, right? So what you will do? Miss Rubina Khan also the underline કરશો. What does she teach? Teaches us language. શું ભણાવે છે? તો કે language ભણાવે છે. તો underline language. She teaches us Urdu and English. Now previously you underlined language as a noun. Now in the next sentence, Urdu and English are names of these languages. So underline Urdu as well as English. What is the next one? All the boys and girls in the class like Miss Rubina Khan. Right? All the boys and girls in the class like Miss Rubina Khan. Now what is the sentence saying? Okay? Boys and girls are also a bifurcation. Even names check. Right? So underline boys and girls can be a nouns check. Any name given to any person, place, animal or thing comes under the category of a noun. Right? So તમે boys ને underline કરશો, girls પણ underline કરશો. In the class like Miss Rubina Khan. Now we already underlined Miss Rubina Khan. એટલે એ તો noun change, right? So underline these things also. Sunita, Zeenat and Annie like her the most. Now three names of person are given. હવે અહીંયા એમ શું હતું? Boys and girls આપેલું હતું, right? હવે Sunita, Zeenat and Annie એ boys and girls ના name છે. Are you getting my point? Sunita, Zeenat and Annie like her the most. તો particularly કોઈ પણ માણસોના name, કોઈ પણ boys and girls ના name આપેલા છે. So that also comes under the category of a noun, right? So you have to underline Sunita, Zeenat and Annie also. Now we will be હવે આપણે શું કર્યું? Miss Rubina Khan, Kashmir, teacher, again Miss Rubina Khan, language, Urdu, English, boys, girls, Miss Rubina Khan, Sunita, Zeenat, Annie. આ જે પેરેગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે એમાં જે મેન્શન કરેલા છે નાઉન્સ છે that we have already underlined. આપણે લોકોએ અંડરલાઈન કરી લીધું છે. તો તમે ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ શું છે? Underlining the nouns given in the paragraph, right? So we already underlined the nouns. Now we are going to bifurcate between proper nouns and common nouns. હવે બાયફર્કેશન થઈ જશે પ્રોપર નાઉન્સ અને કોમન નાઉન્સ નું પછી તમારે લોકોએ કલર કરવાનો છે રાઈટ સો નાઉ લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ ધી બાયફર્કેશન Miss Rubina Khan is our new teacher. So what do you think? Teacher is a person. Right? Teacher koi pan manas hoy, teacher is a person. Have this person is considered as a noun and a person no name છે. What do you think? Teacher koi category માં આવશે? Common noun or proper noun? Yes. Teacher is a commonly used word. Teacher a commonly used word છે. So teacher would be in the category of common nouns. So teacher will be in common nouns category, right? And Miss Rubina Khan. Miss Rubina Khan is a name of a teacher. So teacher commonly used થઈ શકે છે. કોઈ પણ boy હોય, girl હોય, man હોય, woman હોય, it can be a teacher, right? But Miss Rubina Khan it particularly specify કરેલું name છે teacher માટેનું, right? So it would be in the category of proper nouns. Is this much clear? One more thing, whenever you write common nouns, the first letter is always written in lowercase. Capital hoy, nahi first letter. Whenever you are writing proper noun, always the first letter is capital. That is Kashmir. Kashmir is a place. Place koi pan hoy shake, right? Right. So Kashmir is a particularly place ke jenu name already properly particularly mentioned છે. So it falls under the category of proper nouns. So આપણે Kashmir proper nouns માં mention કરશું. Now next thing, Miss Rubina Khan we already mentioned under the proper nouns category. Why? Because he particularly કોઈ પણ માણસને આપેલું name છે. Teaches us language. Now language can be different. Like there are so many different languages, right? You already study Hindi, English, Gujarati, etc. So 3 languages to તમે લોકો study કરો જ છો presently, currently. But there are hundreds of languages. So the language is, this word language is used in common. એક કોઈ પણ language હોઈ શકે છે. So where we are going to mention this word? Yes, we are going to mention this word in common nouns category, right? આપણે એને common nouns ની category માં mention કરશું because language can be many. There are many languages, right? So she teaches us Urdu and English. Now you already learned that language is a commonly used word for language. હવે અહીંયા particularly language ના names આપેલા છે. That is Urdu and English. Right. So what are those? Those languages fall under the category of proper nouns. Okay, is this clear? I hope that this much is clear to you. Now Urdu and English are languages, so that comes under the proper nouns. Yes. What's the next one? All the boys and girls. Boys and girls are nouns. Yes, boys and girls are nouns. Boys can be many, girls can be many, right? So it is a commonly used word for boys and girls, right? So that comes under the category of common noun. Boys and girls. So all the boys and girls in the class like Miss Rubina Khan. Now Miss Rubina Khan, again it is a proper noun mentioned over here. Now Sunita, Zeenat and Annie like her the most. Now these are the names of the person given over here. And here names of the person already આપેલા છે, right? Sunita is a name of a person, Zeenat is a name of a person, Annie is a name of a person, particularly કોઈને આપેલા name છે. In the previous sentence, boys and girls they were talking about. રાઈટ બોયઝ અને ગર્લ્સ ની વાત થતી હતી તો અહીંયા names already mentioned છે so boys and girls will fall under the category of common nouns whereas Sunita, Zeenat and Annie, which category do they fall? Yes, they fall under the category of proper nouns. So Sunita, Zeenat, Annie. So these are the proper nouns and these are the common nouns. Now તમારે લોકોએ શું કરવાનું છે? First of all, identify all the nouns જેમ આપણે કર્યા છે. Miss Rubina Khan is a person, teacher is a person, Kashmir is a place, Miss Rubina Khan again a person, language it's a thing, right? એક word છે કે language in common કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ માટે use થાય છે, right? Urdu and English are specific names of language, it's a noun. So boys and girls commonly used word છે boys અને girls માટે કોઈ પણ હોઈ શકે છે, કોઈ પણ person હોઈ શકે છે, right? So boys and girls, again Miss Rubina Khan is a person, Sunita, Zeenat and Annie, these are the particular names given to the person, right? So these were the nouns that were mentioned in the paragraph. આપણે એ પેલાનો nouns આપણે point out કર્યા. Then next step we did was we bifurcated them into the common nouns and proper nouns, right? Now what you are supposed to do, color red common nouns. જેટલા બી common nouns છે, that is teacher, language, boys, girls. જેટલા બી common nouns છે, you are supposed to color red. તમારે light red થી એને કલર કરી નાખવાના છે because તમે underline તો nouns already કરેલા જ છે, right? So common nouns, that is teacher, language, boys and girls, આટલું તમારે red કલર કરવાનું છે. And what is the next instruction? Color blue proper nouns. So જેટલા બી proper nouns આપેલા છે પેરેગ્રાફમાં, that is Miss Rubina Khan, Kashmir, Urdu, English, Sunita, Zeenat and Annie. જેટલા બી proper nouns આપેલા છે, that means particular names given to any person, place, animal or thing, you have to color blue. હવે Miss Rubina Khan 3 times આવે છે, તો you are supposed to color 3 times Miss Rubina Khan. Okay, જેટલી વાર Miss Rubina Khan આવે છે, it is a proper noun, so you are supposed to color blue. જેટલી વાર Miss Rubina Khan name આવે. Is this clear to you? Okay, so this was the thing that you are supposed to solve it in your English textbook given on page number 16. It is based on the topic common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Now the next question that we are going to do in this session is about listening. Now, for what do we do listening and what is listening about? When someone is speaking and when you are supposed to do such things on the basis of their information, right? હું કંઈક બોલું છું અને મારી ઇન્ફોર્મેશનના બેસિસ પર તમારે કંઈક સોલ્વ કરવાનું છે. For that your listening skills are needed, right? હું કંઈક બોલું છું, એક પેરેગ્રાફ બોલું છું, and on the basis of that paragraph when you are supposed to solve something and get an outcome or answer of the same, for that particular thing your listening skills are very much important. કોઈ પણ માણસ તમને કોઈ પણ વાત કહે છે તો it is very much necessary for you to listen to them carefully. For that listening skills તમારી develop કરવી is very much important, right? Because તમારા જ્યારે કોઈ પણ તમે કોઈને પણ સાંભળો છો તો you are not supposed to start interrupting in between. This is a general talk, right? પહેલા તમે કોઈને સાંભળી લો, listen to their thing and then you can place your opinions. For these kind of things and for developing these kind of things, it is very much necessary for you to possess good and developed listening skills, right? Now, on the basis of listening, which is given on page number 60 in your English textbook, we are supposed to solve the exercise, right? ત્યાં આવું એક heading આપેલું છે, a type of box is given અને અમુક blanks આપેલા છે. Now what you are supposed to do, I will just speak from here. હું એ paragraph બોલીશ અને what you are supposed to do is when I'm speaking this paragraph તમારે એને ધ્યાનથી carefully સાંભળવાનું છે. And હું જે બોલું છું એમાંથી આ words હું જે બોલું છું એમાં included છે. These are the hints, these are the options. એટલે after you listen to me, આમાંથી એક વર્ડ તમારે pick up કરીને you are supposed to put it in the blanks given in your textbook on page number 16. પેજ નંબર 16 પર પહેલા એક ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી છે, આવું બોક્સ આપ્યું છે અને પછી નીચે બ્લેન્ક્સ આપી છે. what you are supposed to do is તમારે લોકોએ એ બ્લેન્ક્સ માં આ જ વર્ડ્સ ફિલ અપ કરવાના છે. બટ ક્યારે તમે ફિલ અપ કરી શકશો? when you would be able to fill those words, જ્યારે તમે મને હું બોલતી હોય ત્યારે તમે મને આ વર્ડ્સ ક્યારે હું યુઝ કરું છું એ સાંભળ્યું હોય, then you would be able to fill those blanks, right? So for that you need to listen to what I'm speaking. Okay, so first of all let's give the introduction about this thing. Beans and fish. Beans and fish, it is a word. Comics. Beans and fish is a food કે જે નોન વેજીટેરિયન હોય, કે જે વેજીટેરિયન ન હોય એ લોકો ખાય. ફિશ ઇઝ નોન વેજીટેરિયન, એ લોકો જે નોન વેજીટેરિયન હોય એ લોકો ફિશ ખાય, રાઈટ? સો બીન્સ એન્ડ ફિશ. કોમિક્સ. What is comics? Comics is a book, it's a magazine actually કે જેમાં pictures through story convey કરી હોય or pictures through dialogues હોય. That is called as comics. एक एवं magazine which is full of pictures and dialogues, right? So that is comics. 4, that you already know, it's a number. Pilot, the ones who fly the plane, that's called, that person is known as pilot. 8, again it's a number. Football, it's a game. Dosas and idlis, I hope, I guess ke ek bada's favorite hase, right? Most of you. 3, again it's a number, right? So these are the options. Let me repeat it again. Beans and fish, comics. 4, pilot. 8, football. Dosas and idlis. 3. These are the options. आज option तुम्हारे blank में put up करवाना चाहिए. But when you will be able to put up in the blanks? When તમે લોકોએ મને સાંભળી હશે ધ્યાનથી, હું ક્યારે આ વર્ડ્સ યુઝ કરું છું એ તમે સાંભળ્યું હશે, then you would be able to fill those blanks. So, what is the question? Listen to Adil talk about himself. There is a boy, Adil, there is a boy named Adil who is talking about himself, right? You have to listen to it carefully. Listen carefully and complete the information in the table. Now, there is a table given over there, right? ત્યાં એક ટેબલ આપેલો છે અને આ જે વર્ડ્સ યુઝ કરીને તમારે એ ટેબલ ફિલ અપ કરવાનો છે. So what we are supposed to do? You are supposed to listen to what I'm saying very carefully and then you are supposed to fill the table. અને એ આમાંથી જશે. Once you are using the word, put a tick mark on that thing. Right? If તમે blanks માં beans and fish use કરો છો, તેના ઉપર tick mark કરી નાખવાનું or word ને cut કરી નાખવાનું. Why did he is instructing you to do such thing? Because when તમે લોકોએ એક blank માં એક word fill up કરી લીધો છે. Now, if બીજી વાર use ન થઈ જાય, for that you just have to put a tick mark on that word if તમે use કરી લો છો or underline કરી લો, right? So it will be easy for you. Okay? So let's get started. Next question that we are going to talk about is speaking, that is given on page number 17. This speaking activity is given on page number 17 where you would be learning talking about self. Listen to what Hattie Hat says about herself. What you are supposed to do? Listen to what Hattie Hat says about herself. There you can see that a hat is drawn and she is speaking a thing. Hello, my name is Hattie. I am a hat. I live in Miss Lovely's house. I like to be inside the house all the time. She is saying about herself, about her name, what she likes, right? So, she is introducing herself. Now, what you are supposed to do is, we cannot do this activity with your friends, right? Just now, for time being. So, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to introduce yourself to your mother or father, or you can do this activity with the help of your parents, right? So, it is given over there. Turn to your friend and talk about yourself. You may use sentences like the following. You have to speak this once you have to fill up these and then you have to speak in front of your parents. First blank is, my name is dash.
In the bracket it's given your name. So what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to mention your name. Second one is I am a dash. Girl, boy, or a student. Right, you are supposed to write there I am a girl or boy. First of all, you are supposed to select from girl or boy, and then you are supposed to mention about student. I live at, say your home address. You have to mention your address where you live. With my mother, parents, or father. Right, you are supposed to select with whom do you live. Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. With how many people? જેટલા બી લોકો સાથે તમે રહેતા હોય એ તમારે મેન્શન કરવાનું છે. મધર હોઈ શકે, ફાધર હોઈ શકે, પેરેન્ટ્સ હોઈ શકે, ગ્રાન્ડમધર, ગ્રાન્ડફાધર, અંકલ, આંટ, બ્રધર, સિસ્ટર, whatever or whoever you live with. You are supposed to write it down over there. I like dash means in the bracket it's given anything you like. What do you like? You have to mention in the last blank given over there. તમે આ બધી બ્લેન્ક્સ ફિનિશ કરી લો છો પછી વોટ યુ આર સપોઝ ટુ ડુ ઇઝ તમારે લોકોએ તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ સામે તમારું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન દેવાનું છે. દેટ માય નેમ ઇઝ ડેશ. આઈ એમ અ સ્ટુડન્ટ. આઈ એમ અ ગર્લ. આઈ લિવ એટ મીન્સ યોર હોમ એડ્રેસ. With whom do you live? Mother, father, parents, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, anyone. You have to mention it over there. જેટલા બી લોકો સાથે તમે રહેતા હોય એ લોકોનું મેન્શન કરવાનું છે. I like dash. So you have to mention also what do you like. So this was all about today's session where you learnt what did we learn. First of all, we learnt about proper nouns and common nouns and we bifurcated them. Then what did we learn? We learnt about the listening skills, right, the activity of listening. And this last one we had about speaking, right? So you are supposed to speak, you are supposed to talk about yourself to your parents. So I hope that you got this session, and here we are ending this chapter because chapter number 1, that is Hattie Hat, is complete over here. So you are supposed to do this activity in your textbook, and I will also be giving you the things that you are supposed to write in your notebook in the next session, right? So till then, take care. Bye.